Hello, here is Dinar and you're watching the video digest in which we cover the most important events in the history of the string transport and Skyworld community over the past weeks. In this release, entrepreneurs from Jordan highly appreciated the string transport freight models. Technology Testing Center in Sharjah has welcomed guests from Expo 2020 in Dubai. Unibus was transported from Maryina Gorka to Minsk to install improved suspension. And now, more about these events. Sharjah String Transport Testing Center has welcomed representatives of Sager Autonomous Robotics, which specializes in intelligent systems and application solutions based on drones. During the tour, the guests visited the center's main facilities. For example, the delegates went to see the indoor pavilion where there is on display the 6-seat model of the high-speed string transport model designed for running on intercity and international roads at the speed of up to 500 km per hour. The delegates also took a test drive on certified tropical unicar and visited the dispatch station with a world-class software and hardware system. The guests were particularly interested in freight solutions. In particular, the visitors were shown a model of the string transport for transporting sea containers. This vehicle is suitable for work in regions with difficult terrain and is highly environmentally friendly and energy efficient. After the tour, the representatives of Sager Autonomous Robotics, who were impressed with what they had seen, expressed hope for further cooperation with the company, which is developing the string transport in the UAE. The center in Sharjah has also recently welcomed guests from the Global Innovation Exhibition Expo 2020, which is currently taking place in Dubai. The delegation included entrepreneurs as well as renowned speakers in the field of sales and online learning. As with the previous guests, the delegates visited the company office, the passenger station, the dispatch room, and the pavilion with a high-speed transport model on display. And of course, the guests took a ride on tropical unicar. However, special attention of the visitors was attracted by the information about construction costs, exploitation, and terms of realization of the string transport complex. Thus, the specialists of the company know that it takes $4 million to build 1 kilometer of the string track and $20,000 to $100,000 per year to operate it. In their turn, design and survey work will take from 1 to 1.5 years, and construction itself from 1.5 to 2.5 years. You can read more about this at the link in the description to this video. And we are moving on. The next piece of news comes to us from Belarus. The string transport company has started preparations for the installation of improved suspension on the double vehicle Unibus. To do that, the vehicle was removed from the track structure at the string center in Maryina Gorka and delivered to the production facility in Minsk. It will take about a month to refine the traction module. Then a similar operation will be carried out with a second vehicle. By the way, in some models of the string transport, the mechanical suspension has already been replaced by the pneumatic one. This has reduced noise and vibration levels in the cabin by several times, making traveling on the track even more comfortable. A full description of the event can be found on the SWC resources. The link is in the description. That has been all the news for today. Subscribe to the SWC YouTube channel and enable notifications not to miss the next news releases of the video digest. See you later!